So, hello friends, welcome to my channel, that is ignouassignmentshelper, and today we'll learn about how we can convert decimal numbers into hexadecimal number. Actually, in our earlier videos, we have tried to convert decimal numbers into octal numbers as well as octal numbers into decimal numbers. So in this video particularly, we will talk about how we can convert decimal numbers into hexadecimal numbers as well as hexadecimal numbers into decimal numbers. Okay, so let's jump into the topic. So today we will learn decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, so what are the decimal numbers? Decimal numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the decimal numbers. Using them, we can actually create any other numbers. Okay, in the decimal series, and whereas the hexadecimal numbers are all the numbers which we can see in decimal number along with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and last of all 15. Also decimal series contain a 0 inside them. Okay, so but in hexadecimal series we will represent 0 to 9 as we represent it in decimal series, but in hexadecimal series we represent them with alphabet. So this will be A, this will be B, this will be C, this will be D, this will be E, and this will be F. Okay, and if we talk about how we'll convert, actually if you want to know details about decimal, hexadecimal as well as the octal numbers and binary numbers, then you can check my description link, as well as the video will be right now, video link will be shown in the upper right corner of this video. You can check the link from there also. Okay, if you click on the I button, there you will get the video links. If you click on those links, you can check the videos from there also. Okay, so right now we will wipe this because we'll now take a live example so that we can learn it, we can understand it better. Okay, now let us take an example. So let us take a number should be 143.625. so basically this is a decimal number and we will convert it into a hexadecimal number. So first of all, we will divide this number into two parts. One part will be 143 and another part will be 0.625. Okay. So first of all, we'll take 143 and we will convert it into binary series. So let us do that. So we'll convert this into binary series first. So for doing this, we will take 143 and we will divide it using 2. So this will be 7 and this will be 1, but there will be remaining 1, and now again we'll divide it using 2. So this will be 3, so 6, 1 and 5 will be 10, so there will be again 1. Now we'll divide it using 2, so 2, 1, 3, 7, 14, there will be again 1. So there will be again 1 if we divide 17 using 2, and result will be 8. Now if we again divide it using 2, so this will be 4, this will be 0, and this will be 2, this will be again 0, and this will be 1, this will be 0. So so the 143, if we represent it using binary series, so it will be 1, 0, 0, 0 and then 4 times 1. So this is the binary series of 143. Okay, now 0.625 will also convert that. So for 0.625, we'll multiply it using 2. So it will be 1.25. So 1.25. So as per rule, we'll take only 1 and the remaining 25 will multiply it again 2. So it will be 0.50. So this will be 0 because there is no 1 before point. And now we'll take 0.5 into 2. So this will be 1.0. So we'll again take 1. And this time we'll take it like this. Okay. So the result will be something like 143.625. If we convert into binary number, that will be 10001111 and then 1.101. This will be the binary conversion of the decimal number 143.625. Now this binary number will convert it into a hexadecimal number. Okay. So let us wipe the remaining parts which you don't need right now. So always remember, this is not the answer, this is a part of answer. Okay. So now we'll convert this number into hexadecimal. Okay. So for doing that, we'll write this number in a basic series. So the series will be, first of all, we will partition the two parts, the parts before the point and the parts after the point. So the fraction part. So 1 0 0 0, then 4 times 1. This is a part plus 0.101. This is another part. Okay. So as we know, if we want to convert the number using hexadecimal number conversion rule, so you can also try it yourself by pausing this video. And you can, if you're not familiar with this procedure, then you can also check my earlier videos from the video link on the upper right side. Okay. So now we'll take 4 numbers together, as this is a hexadecimal series. So this phone number will take a partition and this phone number will take another partition, and we'll write here accordingly 8421. Again 8421, right? So from this one we'll get only 8. Okay. And from this one we'll get 8 plus 4, that is 12, 12 plus 2, that is 14, 14 plus 1, this is 15. So for 15, what we'll write? I'm doing it again. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this will be 15. Okay, this will be A, this will be B, this will be C, this will be D, this will be E, and this will be F. So from here we'll get F. So for this part, that means this part will get 8F. Okay, and for the point part, as it does not contain 4 digits, so we'll take another 0 here. So now again we'll do the same thing, and here you can see only 2 has 1 value and 8 has 1 value. The remaining ones are 0. So we'll add these two numbers, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. So again 10 correspond by A, so point A. So 8F point A. This will be the answer for the 143.625. Okay. So decimal number 143.625 is equal to 8F point A. Okay. So if you want to check if it is proper or not, so you can also go ahead and check it using our reverse rule, which I am going to discuss right now, so that you can check if your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so let us wipe this again so that we can learn the reverse rule also. So we'll prove that this one, so that we can also confirm that our answer is right, as well as we can also check if the procedure is worked out or not. Okay. So first of all, we'll again convert the 8f, as we got 8f point A. So we'll divide it into two parts, that is 8f plus point A. Now for this one we'll write here 8 and write here f, and for this part we'll write here A. Okay, and for 8 we will write here same 8 4 2 1, again 8 4 2 1, again 8 4 2 1. Okay, for representing 8 we only need 8, we don't need the remaining numbers, so we'll put here 0. And for representing f, as f is 15, so we'll need all of them, so we'll need all of them, so we'll put 1 in each of them. And for a we only need 10, so we only need 8 and 2, we don't need 4 and 0, so we'll put here 0. So this is the binary representation for 8f point A is equal to, we can write 1 0 0 0, then 4 times 1 point 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the binary representation. Now what we'll do, we'll now convert this number into a decimal number, so that will be the logic here. And the decimal number is 143.625. so we'll wipe this one also, so that we'll get some more space here. So let us check if it is proper or not. Let's use the blue ink right now. So here as we can see, we have 1 0 0 0, then 4 times 1 is equal to, we can write here 1 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, we have to start it from here, so like this, right? So we'll do that, we'll exactly do that. So this will be 1 and this will also be 1. It's like 4 times 1, then 3 times 0, it's like 0 0 0 and 0, and the last one will be 1, not 0. And then what we'll do, we'll multiply each number using 2. So this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the last one will also be 2. Now we'll start from here, it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And now for the 1010 numbers, what we'll do, we'll actually write here just like similar 0 plus 1 plus 0. And now again we will multiply this, all these numbers using 2, and this time it will goes like this. So this will be into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and here the power will starts from -1 -2 -3 -4. So if we calculate all of this, what we'll get, we'll get 1 from here, then we'll get 2 from here, then we'll get 4, then we'll get 8, then we'll get 0 0, again 0, and at the end we'll get 2 to the power 7, so that will be 128. Okay. Also from all of these fractional numbers, we'll get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. And if we take common, that is 8 and 2, then we'll get 2, 4 of 1, so 8. So that means we'll get this one from 8, and 4, 5 of 8. So 5 of 8 means 0.625. This means 0.625. And all of this means 128 plus 2, 30, plus 8, 138, plus 4, 142, plus 1, 143.625. So actually our answer is correct. And we also learned in this way how we can convert a hexadecimal number into decimal number. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your interest, as well as thanks for taking this course. If you stick to this course, please subscribe and like, comment, share in my channel so that other students can also get some help from these videos. And thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.